Hi friends, welcome to Communication Skill Enhancement Practice. What we are doing is making daily video so that personally I want to improve my communication skills and also to influence people to don't just stay somewhere, just walk, at least take some steps, one or two steps daily. Take small steps to improve a skills what you want to improve. And communication skills and English speaking skill is the one critical skill which we badly need to improve, because we all know that English speaking skill is very important if you want to grow our business, you have to grow in your career, because most of the people will speak in English in corporate, most of the people will speak in English in also for clients and investor purpose. So we have to speak English, we have to communicate in a very formal manner. So take small steps. I remember I have seen a picture. In that picture I have seen two ladders. One ladder has very small gaps between the sticks and the second ladder has very huge gap between the sticks. And one person, the person is which ladder have small gap, the person is crossing all the way through the ladders, and another person which is standing near the larger gap of ladder, he is just standing there and not able to reach anywhere. And what I got the message is, if we wait for a bigger change, if we wait for a bigger steps, then we maybe wait for a longer time. But if we do not wait for bigger steps, if we just walk through taking baby steps, take small actions every day, then we can improve ourselves. I have learned from my mentor that we can improve 1% every day. By improving 1% every day, then certain help will got help from the universe that we will improve ourselves 100% in 70 days, because we will get a 30% bonus from the universe. So by improving 1% daily, we can improve 100% in 70 days. So taking steps daily is very helpful manner, very helpful tool. So do it. And I would suggest that make one video daily. All video making kits is available in description box. Just purchase it with very low price, and read books daily in the morning or in the night time. It will be very good. If you before sleep you will read at least 10 to 20 pages of books. That will be very helpful for a better sleep and better awareness, and it will improve your knowledge very fast. So I have also given some very good books which will help you. I have also given one video that is of Earl Nightingale, who is a great storyteller, and he has learned one thing that will give you success, and that thing which I am also listening, I am also implementing those things. I am only telling those things which I am implementing and getting good result. So listen that video of Earl Nightingale, that is the strangest secret of the world, that I have also given in description box. Read the books I have given in the description box. Purchase it in a very low price, that is in Kindle version. So purchase it and you will get benefit instantly. You will listen these books, you will. And also I have said that you should write, practice reading all the posts in LinkedIn of people. They are posting long stories of their own experience. There is not any other story, of their own experience, other people's what they have deal with. So read the post, comment something in the post, write your own story in the post with a very purposeful manner. I am repeatedly telling that write story with a very purposeful manner, not just anything you can write in LinkedIn. You have to share something which you are really, you are representing yourself through your story. So write story in those things which you really are. So tell yourself to the world, and the world is waiting for that. The world is really waiting for your own story. They are eager to listen you. They are eager to like you. So improve yourself. Daily practice will improve your communication skills, and small improvement will boost your confidence. Thanks for watching.